Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect an Arch Linux machine to Wi-Fi. And the Arch Linux machine is installed on VMware Workstation, so it's a virtual machine. So I'm using a wireless adapter on my host machine, and I'm looking to connect the Arch Linux virtual machine to the same network as my other devices. So in order for me to accomplish that, I have to go to the settings. So click on your virtual machine. So under network adapter, under network connection, you want to select bridged. With this option here, we can get the Arch Linux device pull an IP address via DHCP from the same network on my LAN local area network. So once you have bridged option selected, you can click OK. Now let's check one thing real quick here. If we go to this icon on the top right for the network connection, you see we only have the wired option here and VPN. If I go to the settings, again it's wired, VPN, proxy. Nothing says Wi-Fi or wireless. If I open the terminal, see, and do IP address, I'm only seeing two interfaces, loopback 0 and the wired interface ENS33. No one connection or wireless connection. Now in order for us to connect this virtual machine to the wireless adapter that's currently being used by the host machine, what we need to do is go to the menu options, select VM, then go to removable devices. Your wireless adapter should be listed here. This is mine, and then if you hover your mouse over it, you'll see the option to connect it. So connect. Then you get this pop-up message. It's just telling you that you're about to disconnect from the host and connect to this virtual machine. So click OK. Okay, now if I go to this icon for the network connection, I'm seeing that there's now Wi-Fi option. If I click on the settings, there's Wi-Fi here, and I'm seeing the available networks that I can connect to. So just pick your network, and then you'll need to put the password for your wireless network. Let me do this. And once it's connected, it should say connected here. Now let's go back to the terminal here and do IP address again. And this time we have this interface here, WLAN 0. That's for the Wi-Fi connection. And you can also see that it actually did pull an IP address via DHCP, which is 192.168.1.176. So that's how you would connect your Arch Linux virtual machine that's installed on VMware Workstation to your Wi-Fi network. And in this case, like I said, I'm using a wireless adapter. Now to disconnect it, obviously all you have to do is go back to this and then removable devices, and then you have the option now to disconnect it. So previously it was saying connect, now you can disconnect, and then you can just verify here. And as you can see now, the third interface, as you can see, this interface is no longer there. WLAN 0 is no longer showing. If I go back to this icon for network connections, again Wi-Fi is not there. I go to settings, I don't see anything that says Wi-Fi. Remember, it was showing at the top, now it's not there. Okay, and that's it for this video. That's how you can connect to your Arch Linux to your Wi-Fi network on a VMware Workstation. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you all in my next video. Thanks, bye.